I wanted a Halloween costume that said I'm sexy, I'm creative, and not like you other girls. So I dressed up as a loofah. Watch me DIY this loofah costume. This dress was purchased on Amazon. All of my accessories I will be putting together from different materials that I also bought on Amazon to create this look. That's what I mean by DIY. Don't fight me on it. It came with a shower cap and I was like, that's not cute. That's not the vibe we're going for. I'm a fashion icon. I'm not gonna throw a shower cap on my head and call myself a loofah. First of all, that doesn't even make sense. If I'm a loofah, why would I be scared of my hair getting wet? Come on now. Anywho, I added these as well from Amazon, these little water drop earrings. I don't have the macro on, but maybe I should so you can have a better look at this. Hold on. I'm a loofah, so I wanted to get water drop earrings. The loofah should be wet. I know what you're thinking. You're a loofah. How are you gonna make that more obvious to people? I'm 10 steps ahead of you. Now, I want to make it look like I'm wet, like I'm sudsy. So I ordered these little clear balloons from Amazon that look like bubbles when you blow them up. So here's a perfect example. Right here, this one is a little deflated because I didn't blow this up today. But when you blow them up, they have this clear-like shape that makes them look like a bubble. So we're going to blow a bunch of those up and decide to place them somewhere strategically on my body, on my person, on my head, I think would be also the cutest. Maybe some on my wrist and maybe some as well on my heels. So we're going to do that. And then also, I stole this big old pump from my roommates, and we are going to use this to blow up the little clear balloons and make a bunch of bubbles to accessorize my outfit, okay? Now, I don't know where I'm putting them, but let's figure out how to blow this up, because when I tried to blow those up, it was actually super difficult because the pump isn't a hand pump. I think it's actually for like, I actually don't know what this is for. Maybe a blow-up bed. Anyways, that's beside the point. It was hard. So I'm going to have to struggle with that for a little bit. But stay tuned. We're going to blow that up. And then we're going to move on to shoes and put the full look together. And then I'll show you the final product. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this little black headband. I'm going to put this on. And then I'm going to blow up the balloons and attach some to the headband in like a cutesy strategic way, so it just looks like I have little bubbles floating on my head. And if the headband is too noticeable, then I might just attach it to my ponytails, but I think this might be more stable and better so I can take it on and off. So let's go ahead and try and blow some of these up. This is the part where it gets a little bit hard because this is not a hand pump, it feels nearly impossible to keep the air from coming out of these when I'm blowing them up. So it's quite the task. Like you can see right here that the nozzle is just like so small. Like, I don't know. Or maybe I needed a bigger one for these balloons. I'm actually genuinely confused on what they thought I would blow this up with. But they're here and we're going to try to blow them up now. So we can have some bubbles for our head. Now, I need to get it to stay, though. That's the thing. How do I get it to, like, stay? I don't know. Let's try. Oh, that sounds bad. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was only on the second try. Okay, so here's one blown up. You can see that it looks so much like a bubble. Like, does this not look like a water bubble? So now I'm going to go ahead and just tie this up with this little thing that they have here because, I don't know, why not? And they also get way bigger than this too. But I'm like, it's going to go on my head, so I don't want anything to be like in the way, but also they deflate like overnight because I had the other one already blown up to show you guys. And I looked at it today and I was like, oh, it's deflated. To be fair, it was sitting there for like 2 days, but also like, dang. I mean, it's not helium though, so I don't know what I expected, but oh my God, I can't tie it. It's getting smaller. It's getting smaller. And also, fun fact, I am terrible at tying balloons, so I really made a choice with this costume, didn't I? Oh my God, y'all. It's losing all the air. The air is gone. Okay, we need to start over. But you can see that it worked. This is about to irritate me. I can tell. Okay, guys, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We're going to do it again. We're going to do that again. It's fine. Relax. We're going to be okay. I'm going to put it back in here. I'm going to start over. And hopefully my fingers will cooperate and we can keep that air in there. Maybe I should just make it bigger. That way, once I lose air, you know, I have a little more leeway now. I made another one. Again, this is huge. Should it be this big? I don't know if I want one this big on my head. It doesn't seem like they're gonna pop, but I feel like someone would try to pop it just because I'm walking around with a bubble this big and people are evil. But look at how it looks like a bubble too from far away. Like I'm also thinking I may wanna put some around the loofah so it looks like I have bubbles all over it, but I don't know, one thing at a time. One thing at a time. Let's just do this. Tie this. If I can tie it. Guys, how do you tie this? I'm actually like really struggling a little bit here. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yes. Okay. I finished tying one. So now we have one tied. Boom. And so now I can go ahead and use this, and I'm gonna see if I can attach this one to the headband, and then we're gonna work on the other two because I wanna make sure this is like going according to plan. Because every little thing, yes, every little thing must go according to plan. Fortunately, in the balloon package, they also gave us this wire because they knew you'd wanna put them together because they look like bubbles. So I also have this wire that I can cut and that I can use to wrap around the headband. Let's get some scissors. I need to get some scissors. Hold on. It's a day for Glory's wedding. Okay, so we're gonna cut. I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna cut like this much. I actually don't know. What's like a normal amount? I don't know. Anywho, I'm gonna take this and I'm tying this around here. I feel like one of those DIY YouTube creators right now. But you know what, guys? Halloween is my favorite holiday and I wanna have fun with it. So I'm just having fun with it. That's what I'm doing. I'm just a girl. So we went ahead and tied that around the balloon. I want to double knot it because that didn't feel super secure. So now I'm just tying that. I'm hoping this little knot at the bottom isn't going to be super obvious, but like, what choice do I have? And so now, this is when I am going to do this. Kind of tie this around here. I clearly have no plan of execution with this. I'm just kind of doing it because, I don't know, what am I, like the DIY queen? Absolutely not. I'm just a girl. So, we're gonna do it like this, do it like this, do it like this, do it like this. And then I'm just gonna keep wrapping that around. And then once it's time, I think I'm just gonna tie it underneath to that other piece that we had from when we first wrapped it around. Because I just think that's smart. I think that'll secure it better. Sorry for sneezing in y'all ear like that. If you just heard that sneeze, no you didn't. Okay, y'all. Ooh, maybe I didn't do this well enough. It looks a little flimsy. Let me see. Let's test out our first bubble and see how we like that application, or if not. And then if not, we know how to move going forward. Is that backwards? I think it was supposed to be the other way. I think it's supposed to be like this. because it doesn't feel good on my head the other way. Oh my God, the first bubble is on. If you get really close, it may look a little crazy with the application, but like, if you can see it from here, this looks absolutely adorable. It looks like I have a little bubble on my head. It's Halloween. Oh my God, okay. Wait, I love it. Guys, I love it. Okay, now I think I want to do 2 other ones that are like a different size. So it looks a little more like random. And then I am going to maybe do like, should I do some as like a necklace? Is what I'm thinking. Like I'm thinking I should do maybe like a bubble necklace and then like a few around my wrist. And then like 1 or 2 around my heels. And then of course, I want to put also, I also bought these little stickers. I bought these little rubber ducky stickers as well on Amazon. And I just plan on like using them to put on the front of my heel. But also, now that I'm thinking about it, maybe I don't need to like actually blow all these up right now because I've noticed that they deflate, you know, at like 5 seconds after I have them. So I don't want to keep having to blow them up for videos. So I'm like, should I just film everything today and blow them all up once and then I don't have to blow them up again until Halloween? Or like, what's the vibe? What is the vibe? Okay, I know I love this sticker though. I feel like this one is like the most rubber ducky. And then my shoes aren't the cleanest right now, but like just stall me. I think I'm gonna do like something like this. Just kind of put it here. And like, that's adorable. That's adorable. Like, are you kidding me? It looks like I just like, oop, my shoe is dirty, but ignore the dirt on my shoe. But that looks, okay, well, unexpected turn of events. All right, well, in an unexpected turn of events, my camera actually died. It's back on now, but I'm worried that I'm running out of time. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. Okay, I added a bubble right here, and I've added a bubble right here. I think when the costume is fully done, I may add a few more around my wrist and then also around my heels. But, of course, let's take a little look at the heels. Can you see that? You might not be able to see it. Let me see if I can show you. I just want y'all to be able to see my little rubber duckies. Go ahead and take a look at my cute little rubber ducks. Is that adorable or is that adorable? Again, don't mind that they're not clean. Have some class, mind your business. But anywho, this is my final form. I will be adding more bubbles. But just tell me how adorable I am, basically. Ain't I clean getting at. Anyways, happy Halloween. And if you see me in public, come up to me, say hey, tell me I look cute. I'm never too ill to say hello. I'm never too ill. So, thank you for watching. Make sure you dress up for Halloween. Don't act like you're too cool. I don't care if you just go out and buy some whiskers or a clown nose. You better put something on your body. Okay. Or DIY it. As always, I am so thankful for my community. Happy Halloween. Bye.